Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your portfolio with Bank of New York Mellon. Detailed. To protect your portfolio with Bank of New York Mellon, start by assessing your current investment strategy. Identify the risks associated with your existing portfolio. Evaluate market conditions and how they may impact your investments. Visit the Bank of New York Mellon website to explore their investment protection services. Look for detailed information on risk management solutions. Consider reaching out to a financial advisor from the bank for personalized advice. Schedule a consultation to discuss your portfolio goals and concerns. During the consultation, provide details about your current holdings and risk tolerance. Ask about diversification strategies that can help strengthen your portfolio. Inquire about available hedging options to mitigate potential losses. Discuss the fee structures associated with their services. Review the historical performance of their risk management strategies. Next, decide on the right investment products to enhance your portfolio protection. Consider using mutual funds or exchange-traded funds managed by Bank of New York Mellon. Explore options for fixed income investments to reduce volatility. Make sure to stay informed about economic indicators that could affect your investments. Regularly monitor your portfolio's performance against your objectives. Schedule follow-up meetings with your advisor to adjust your strategy as needed. Utilize the Bank of New York Mellon's online tools for tracking your investments. Stay updated on market trends and news that may influence your portfolio. Finally, be proactive in making adjustments to your investment strategy as circumstances. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.